Okay. Breathe. In and out. Just breathe. You are a capable, organized human being. You have planned things before. You planned your cousin's birthday party and only mildly set the barbecue on fire. This is fine. This is totally under control. Absolutely. I am your host, and welcome to what historians will later call the pre-Murree meltdown of 2025. The suitcase is open. My sanity is questionable. But the dream is alive, people. Because tomorrow, we embark on an expedition to the frosty, majestic, potentially slushy peaks of Murree. But before we descend into the glorious chaos of packing for a 2-day trip like I'm leading a Sherpa team up Everest, if you get a kick out of pre-trip anxiety, questionable fashion choices, and the 97% probability that I will forget something absolutely critical, you know what to do. That like button is looking lonely. Give it some love. It tells the YouTube algorithm I'm not just talking to myself. Comment below with your best packing horror stories or what you're 100% sure I've forgotten. Subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss the actual adventure. It's going to be epic. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty, the absolute bedlam. Let's get ready with me. Get ready with me. Prepping for a Murree adventure, the psychological and physical warm-up. All right. Before we touch a single garment, we must get our mind right. Packing is not a physical challenge. It is a mental marathon. It requires strategy, foresight, and the emotional fortitude to leave behind that one cute shirt you've never worn but might wear there. You won't. I've consulted the ancient texts. By which I mean, I spent 3 hours scrolling through travel blogs and weather forums. The consensus is layers. Not like an onion. Onions make you cry. More like a triumphant parfait of practicality. A parfait that prevents hypothermia. Step 1. Hydration. You can't pack dehydrated. That's a fact. I think. Brain cells activated. Montage of misguided prep, me doing frantic star jumps, generating body heat. Pre-warming, me blowing on my hands like I'm already cold, practicing for the field. Me trying to test my thermals by wearing them over my jeans and then getting stuck, mobility check. Help. Me looking at a tiny backpack, then at a giant suitcase, then back at the backpack, with a look of profound confusion. The great wardrobe debate and the battle of the bulge, the foundation. The base layer. The second skin. This is where the journey begins. This one is 95% merino wool. It's moisture-wicking, odor-resistant, and cost me approximately 1 kidney. This one is 100%. My grandma knit this and it's a bit scratchy, but she loves me. It's thermally optimistic. The dilemma. Performance versus sentiment. Do I choose the sleek, technologically advanced garment, or the one that smells vaguely of love and mothballs? Sentiment wins. But technology can come too. My suitcase, my rules. The more the merrier. This is a terrible strategy. I acknowledge this. Now. Lower body infrastructure. These are non-negotiable. They're like a permanent, portable hug for your legs. Look at that elasticity. They could accommodate a Thanksgiving dinner and a sudden ice age. Versatility. The mid-layer. The personality layer. This is where you express yourself. Do I go with the chunky, cable-knit behemoth? It says, I am a friendly woodland creature. This says, I am a mysterious international spy, who is also very cold. And this This says, my auntie brought this back from her holiday and I feel obligated to pack it to make her feel good. The suitcase wrestling match. I approach the open suitcase like it's a wild animal. I gently place a neatly folded sweater inside. I slowly back away. I turn to get another item. I turn back. The sweater has mysteriously unfolded and expanded to 3 times its size, overflowing the case. I gasp. I dive on it, trying to squash it down. I sit on the lid. The lid bursts open, ejecting a pair of socks. I wrestle the sweater into a submission hold and roll it into a tight burrito. I victimly stuff it back in. The suitcase zips groans in protest. I wipe my brow, exhausted. Okay. We're good. The footwear fiasco and amp, accessory anarchy footwear. The literal foundation of this entire operation. Your shoes can make or break a trip. And by break, I mean, break your ankle. Exhibit A. The influencer. All style, no substance. They see a patch of black ice, they'll send me flying into the stratosphere. A hard pass. Exhibit B. The nostalgia. We've been through a lot together, me and these guys. But their grip is deader than my hope of packing light. They're canvas coffins for my feet in this weather. But wait. What forgotten relic lies within? Behold. I bought these for a school trip in 2012 and then forgot about them, hiking boots. They're ugly. They're heavy. They have more tread than a monster truck. They're perfect. Okay, maybe a few pairs of thick socks will be required. But we have a winner. Now. The details. The things that separate the prepared from the, well, from me, usually. Heat escapes through the head. This beanie is not an accessory, it is a heat retention device. This scarf is a multi-tool. It can be a neck warmer, a face mask, a makeshift towel, a signal flag if I get lost, and these are the most important. Without these, I cannot operate my phone. And if I cannot operate my phone, I cannot take pictures for the gram. And if I cannot take pictures for the gram, did the trip even happen? It's an existential crisis waiting to happen. The Snack-pocalypse, a culinary strategy session provisions. This is not about hunger. This is about morale. A cold, hungry traveler is a grim, miserable creature. We must avoid this at all costs. The core pillars of our nutritional defense system. Pillar 1. Instant energy, a family-sized bar of chocolate. Glucose. Fast acting. For when the body says, I am cold and sad, and the brain says, here, have some joy. Pillar 2. Sustained energy. Proteins, fats, complex carbs. This will release energy slowly, preventing us from devouring all the chocolate in one sitting and then crashing into a sugar-induced coma. Pillar 3. The Holy Grail. The hot meal, that is a cup of instant noodles with the reverence of the Holy Grail. All it requires is hot water. It's soup. It's noodles. It's salvation in a styrofoam cup. I'm packing 5. Don't judge me. And finally, the luxury division, that is a small tin of high-quality hot chocolate mix, a box of specialty chai tea bags, and a small bottle of peppermint schnapps. For medicinal purposes. You know, to warm the soul. Yeah. Let's go with that. Compression sacks. We're going to need compression sacks. We will vacuum seal these nuts if we have to. Tech, toiletries and amp, the oh crap, kit technology. The modern-day explorer's burden. My camera, my vlogging gear, my drone. Okay, I don't have a drone, but I do have a selfie stick that extends to a truly concerning length. This is the lifeline. Power banks. I have a main power bank, a backup power bank, and a backup for the backup power bank that's the size of a brick and probably from the Cold War. If all else fails, I can use it as a weapon or a doorstop. This little guy charges my phone while it's in my pocket. It's a game changer. No more huddling around a socket in the hotel lobby like a bunch of tech zombies. Toiletries. Minimalism is key. Except for moisturizer. And lip balm. The cold air will suck the moisture right out of you. I'm packing enough lip balm to wax the entire downhill ski run. SPF 50. The sun reflects off the snow, people. You can get a sunburn and frostbite at the same time. It's called being inconvenienced. And this is the oh crap kit. Plasters for blisters. Painkillers for the headache you get from squinting at too much snow. Imodium, because street food is a beautiful, delicious gamble. A mini sewing kit. A multi-tool. Duct tape wrapped around an old gift card. This kit has saved more holidays than my positive attitude. The forgotten item, my charger. Never leave a man behind. The final pack, the weigh in and amp, sign off. It's done. I've done it. I have conquered the beast. I have made peace with the fact that I've packed for every conceivable weather event, including a surprise heatwave. Let's see the damage. Okay. 23 kilos. For a 2-night trip. The airline is going to love me. That's fine. That's the price of being prepared. Prepared and emotionally supported by 7 sweaters. You know what? Despite the chaos, the second guessing, the sheer volume of snacks, I am so unbelievably excited. This is going to be an adventure. The crisp mountain air, the stunning views, the hot chocolate, it's all going to be worth it. This monstrosity isn't just full of clothes and noodles. It's full of potential. Potential for amazing footage, for hilarious mishaps, for beautiful moments. And I get to take all of you along with me. So, this is your name, signing off from what is now a war zone of packing debris. Thank you so much for joining the pre-adventure chaos. You are the real MVPs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for the main event. The Murree vlog is coming soon, and it's going to be absolutely incredible. Now I just have to figure out how I'm going to carry this to the car. Wish me luck. See you in the mountains. Bye, guys. Love you. Stay warm. And remember to pack your common sense, unlike someone I know.